In previous classes, we have studied the basics of hypertension. In this class, we will study about the classification of antihypertensive drug. First question is, what are antihypertensive drugs? Antihypertensive drugs are those drugs which lower the blood pressure from elevated range to normal range. What are the properties of a good antihypertensive drug? The most desirable action of a good antihypertensive drug is slow reduction of blood pressure with long-lasting effect. Further, if dose is increased, it causes more prolonged effect rather than further fall in BP. That means a good antihypertensive drug should have property to reduce the blood pressure slowly and effect should last for longer period. And if dose is increased, then the effect should last for longer period rather than fall in BP. Classification of antihypertensive drugs. Here, six classification are given, and the drugs which are given in syllabus are only classified here. Here, two type of drug are given. One have star and another have no star. The drug having star, that means we need to study synthesis, whereas the drug which have no star need not to study synthesis. First class is renin-angiotensin system inhibitor. The drug in this class is captopril. Second class is angiotensin 2 receptor blocker. Drug in this class is losartan. Third major class is sympatholytic drug. These four subclasses are given in this major class. Methyl-dopa-clonidine come under centrally acting adrenergic drugs. Guanethidine come under adrenergic neuron blocking agent. Atenolol and propranolol come under beta-adrenergic antagonist subclass. Prazosin, phenoxybenzamine, phentolamine come under alpha-adrenergic antagonist. Diltiazem belongs to calcium channel blocker class. Vasodilators have five subclasses. Hydralazine, minoxidil, and digoxide act as arterial vasodilators. Glycerin trinitrate act as venodilators. Isosorbide dinitrate act as arterial venous vasodilator. Isoxaprine hydrochloride act as peripheral vasodilation. Milrinone is inotropic with vasodilation activity. Miscellaneous class have these two subclasses: antilipidemic drugs and cardiac glycoside. In antilipidemic drugs, clofibrate, mivastine, and cholestyramine drugs are given in syllabus, whereas in cardiac glycoside, digoxin, digitoxin, and uaben are the drugs given in syllabus. We will study all these classes in upcoming lectures.